uh, impressive thing about China, which is accepted by the entire world now, is that the number, almost 700 million people in China have been taken out of poverty in the last 35, 40 years. It's never happened in human history before. And this is what impresses the entire world about China, whether they are in good relationship with China, they are on the other side, they sort of oppose China, but everyone has to accept that this has never happened in human history before. And so if you ask me what impresses me most about China, it is this fact. Because my main objective is somehow to raise people out of poverty in Pakistan. And so, when I went to China, I specifically wanted to know the steps taken for alleviating poverty there. And so the reason why I think that the Chinese model of development is what we want to emulate is because, it was an inclusive growth in China. When China grew, the whole population grew with China. It wasn't, unfortunately, like in a lot of the rest of the world, where the rich get richer and the poor, in fact, get poorer. The gap between the rich and poor gets wider. In fact, in pandemic, we discovered that the poor people got poorer and the super rich got even richer. And so China is a model for all those countries who want to have inclusive growth.